If you want to change the resolution of your Nintendo Switch 2 when it's connected to the TV, it's very easy to do. You need to work your way down to System Settings, and we want to go all the way down to Display. And then if we go over to TV Resolution, really you just need to leave it on automatic and it should do what it needs to do. But if it's not happy connecting to the TV and it's connecting at a lower resolution, then you can change it. So right now this TV is a 1080p TV, so full HD, but for whatever reason, if I wanted to connect it on 720p, I can do. And now if you have a look here, when it comes back on, it should be 720p 60 Hertz. If I change that to 1080p, then it will come up as 1080p 60 Hertz. My TV doesn't actually do any other options here, so 1440 and also 2160 4K as well. They would be lit up if your TV allows that. As well as that, you do have an option here for 120 Hertz output. So although it's on, it recognises that my TV can't handle that, hence the reason mine is just 60 at the moment. So that's it, that's how to change it on the Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching.